In this video, I will show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations so your homepage starts fresh. No more unwanted videos or outdated interests popping up. Let's dive in. First thing you need to do is open a web browser of your choice and go to youtube.com and then sign into your account. Now you're on the homepage, go up to your profile icon on the top right, click it, scroll down and look for your data in YouTube and click it. Now we'll open that a new window, scroll down, look for YouTube controls. Scroll down a tiny bit more and you will see manage your YouTube watch history. Click it. Now if you scroll down again, you can see that you can delete individually videos that you've watched or started to watch and searches, and you just click it, click the X icon, confirm that you would like to delete this activity. This will not show again. Delete, click delete. But this process, as you can see, would be quite time consuming. So there's another way, and a far superior way. We go up to look for this text here. It says delete. As you can see, it says delete. But if you notice very carefully, if you look very closely, there's a little drop down menu. Click that. You've got three options. You can delete today, delete custom range. I'm going to click that, and you can see it can go from date, month, and year. This could get a bit complicated for some of it. It's there if you want to use it, but it's not this video. Click the cross button again. The third option is what we are here for today, and it's delete all time. And click that. Confirm you would like to delete the following activity. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube history to personalize your experience. And you can scroll down, but if you just want to click, you can cancel it if you want. You get sick if you don't want to do it anymore, but we're going to click delete because we want to do this. Deletion completed. The activity that you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. This completely clears your viewing and search activity, which heavily influences your recommendations. And at the bottom, again, click got it. Now, if we go back to, you can either do it this way and then do it this way. And with it loads, there we are. You can quite clearly see try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos that you love. And that's it. You successfully reset your YouTube recommendations and started fresh. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other how-to videos.